What if your expertise isn't the problem, your delivery is? What if the reason your ideas are falling flat isn't because they're weak, but because they're buried in too much information, too many slides, too many words? The leaders who win get crystal clear, because clarity isn't just helpful, it's decisive. And that gap between knowing your information and communicating it powerfully costs influence and sometimes costs revenue. For about 20 years, I was a TV news anchor, 3-time Emmy Award winner, and let me tell you, I did a lot of live broadcasts. And when that red light came on, clarity wasn't an option. You either delivered or you didn't. So now I help professionals and experts match their expertise with strong communication. Clarity is really a huge leadership skill. Anyone can add more information, but very few people can make these complex things simple. It's how do we make that connection so that your client is feeling something? You're not here to impress, but you're here to connect. You don't need to be the loudest person in the room to be powerful, but you do need to believe in your own worth before you enter the room. Everything you want in your life is on the other side of fear.